Hi, I'm Cheryl and welcome to the Sewing Room channel. If you've had a cross stitch project that you've just completed and you want to put it into a picture frame, you do need to block it first. So I'm going to demonstrate the entire blocking process from start to finish. So let's get started. Here's my sample cross stitch project that I'm going to use for this demonstration. You want to use clear soap. Some people use clear shampoo, but just any clear soap that's mild. Put it into lukewarm water. Then just take your cross stitch project and just put it in there and kind of slosh it around just a little bit and even let it soak for a few minutes. Now the reason why you do this is when you're working on your cross stitch, your hands will give off oils that get all over it, and it does get dirty, especially if it's a large cross stitch project that maybe took you quite a few hours to make. It's going to get a little dirty. A smaller one, not as bad, but you want all of those oils off of it. So you soak it around. Then once you finish soaking it, then you just want to squeeze it to get a lot of the water, the soapy water out. So I'm going to go to my kitchen sink and I'm going to rinse it again with lukewarm water, and then I'll be right back. I've just finished rinsing it out with clear lukewarm water. When you are squeezing the water out of it, make sure you don't wring or twist it even after you just get it out of the soapy water, because you don't want to stretch those stitches out of place to where you've really messed up all your work. So now you're going to need a dry towel and we're going to blot the rest of the water out. So just unfold it all out and smooth it out. Okay. Alrighty, so then you're going to take your towel and you're going to roll it. And as you're rolling it, just kind of squeeze the cross stitch, the towel, to get the water out. And you just keep squeezing till you feel you've got enough of it out. Once you have it all squeezed out, then you want to go to your ironing board and we're going to press it. Now you want to make sure you have a nice clean dry towel, and you're going to be using that to press your cross stitch out. Now you want to take it, and right now I have it face up, and I'm smoothing it out and making sure that it has a nice shape, that the design is not stretching in a strange way. So you want to make sure it's all even. Right now my project is facing up. The good side is up. You want to turn it face down, and you're going to press it from the back side. And the reason why is if you press it on the top side, you could flatten your stitches. And by having the towel underneath, it keeps those stitches nice and fluffy. So you just go ahead and press it out. After that, I usually like to let it sit and cool off and make sure it is completely dry before you framed it. Now, if you're interested in other cross-stitch projects, please check below your YouTube screen for those video links. Thanks for coming by. I'll see you next time, and happy sewing. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please click on the thumbs up button. Don't forget to click on share to share this video with your friends. If you haven't subscribed yet, click on that red subscribe button down there in the lower right-hand corner of your screen. Don't forget to click on the bell. I'm Cheryl, and this is a lot of mayonnaise. See you next time, and happy sewing!